Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Style It 24/7. My name is Sean. If you like fashion, lifestyle, and travel, please like, subscribe, and share. I also talk about fashion trends, New York Fashion Week, all the things that is related to fashion you can find on this channel. Also, please follow me on Instagram. It's a new platform for me and I really would appreciate the follow. So without further ado, let's get into this video because this was a video that G came up with, and it was, if you had to start over again or revisiting your collection and you only could choose 5, what would they be? And off the top of my head, I knew the 5 bags that I would go after. And I feel like videos like this not only provides education for those who are breaking into luxury and you don't know which bag to start off with, or for somebody who already has a huge collection, this might be one of those jarring questions that causes you to go into your collection and like, why did I buy this bag? Why am I keeping this bag? What is its purpose now? That's why I wanted to do this too. So long overdue video. It's been a lot of traveling going on, so I'm glad I can do this now. Here's the first bag that I would go after, and that is my newly bought Chanel Classic Flap that is in lambskin, and I bought this from Fashion File. It is absolutely beautiful. I love this bag. I know that it's lambskin. I know that people babysit their lambskin bags. I have not been having to do that. What I love about this bag is the pop of color. I'm not afraid to mess with color. Now granted, I have built my wardrobe off a pretty neutral palette, but I love to interject color, whether it is with accessories, shoes, bags, to really bring some interest and some, just spark some energy into my wardrobe. A stylist told me this when I used to do my fashion classes. She said, if you have a neutral closet and you're a stylist, you neutralize your personality because you're not giving any life to your look. And I always think about that because I put on a neutral base and I always say, what can I do differently that would interject some effervescent element into my sense of style, right? To take this outfit over the top. So that's why I really love this red classic flap from Chanel. And it's small, it's not overdone. Remember, red is a passion color. It is one that evokes energy. It moves people to action. Really love this bag, and you'd think I wouldn't be able to wear it with a lot of things, and I absolutely can. The next bag that I adore and love, and I've talked about this bag before, that is my Dior tote. Now this has been around for a very long time. I've had mine for a very long time and I clean this bag myself. I take really great care of it. It does need a Samorga, but it is such a good purchase. I adore this bag because it can hold a lot for how I travel, how I want to show up for myself. It goes with my Dior Douai slides. So this is one of my travel totes. It can hold my laptop, all of my essentials, and if I ever was to get pregnant and have a baby, this would be my baby diaper bag, honestly, because it can double as a diaper bag as well. The next bag that I really love is my Fendi First. And what I love about this bag is not only is it a conversation starter, it can hold a lot. It can hold my phone, it can hold makeup, my makeup bag, it can hold mirrors and perfume and whatever you need to put in your purse. This is not one of those bags where you feel like you have to skim back on a few items before you go out. You can definitely get them all in here, and it is made from top-notch leather. The other great thing about the Fendi First is that it's so unique. It's not one of your traditional bags that you see everywhere. Now, sometimes when I'm in LA and I am sitting in a restaurant, I will turn the bag, the F part of the Fendi towards me. And people still will come over and say, well, what's that bag? It has this slant to it. Like, what bag is this? And when I turn it around, it's like, oh my gosh, okay, where'd you get that bag? And it's a Fendi First. And there's not a lot of people that know about the Fendi First, which is interesting. There's the fashion girlies, but for the most part, the mass majority of the public Not so much astute to the Fendi First bag. So I find like it's a great way to have conversations. I get to know people. I love people, by the way. And this Fendi First allows me that. And it also, like I said, it holds a lot and it's made out of premium leather. And Fendi is just one of those brands that, you know, has been around for a very long time. Their leather is proven, the durability, the longevity of it. I've had this now for maybe, I want to say I'm going on the second year with this bag, and I find myself reaching for it a lot. It is a great everyday bag for me when I'm just going to run errands because it's brown. I do want to get me another one that's very like a unicorn, but I have some other bags on my wish list that is going to take precedent before I actually, you know, do another Fendi First. But really love the quality of this bag. Okay. This next bag is home in LA. This is my crossbody from Louis Vuitton. This was a recent purchase, maybe I want to say around the 6 months ago mark. This bag is like my camera bag that's very sporty but elevated in the best way. It gives me Ferrari vibes. And my cousin ended up purchasing one himself because it's a unisex bag. And of course we know Louis Vuitton makes their crossbodies or their bags period out of the best leather. This can hold a lot. Again, another bag where I don't have to skim back on, you know, items that I love to put in my bag when I'm traveling, or especially when I'm like going out. I like to have hand lotions, my little cosmetic bag with my lipstick, liners, all that other stuff. And I can do that with this bag, and that's why I really love it. And I love that there's a thick band that goes across the body because it does not cut into my skin. Some bags, when they're super duper, you know, skinny and you put more weight in it, it's going to start cutting into the skin. So you've got to be very mindful of that. Also, as a recent purchase is my Saint Laurent Uptown Clutch. Now, I've talked about this bag a lot because this was one that I had it in the patent leather, and I would have to babysit that bag because as soon as you get lotion on your hands, you're having to polish that bag because too many fingerprints all over the bag. It just does not look good. However, in the pebble leather, it is absolutely exquisite. And when I wear this, it's sleek, it's effortless, it looks very professional, very sophisticated. And what I love is that I can wear this with a dressy look. I can wear this with a business casual look. It is just a sleek bag. Now, the only thing I would say about this bag, that if you're thinking about carrying a lot of things, you're not going to be able to do that with this bag, or it's going to lose shape because it is very, you see, it has this very flat silhouette to it. And the moment you start putting too many things in there, it's going to start looking very bulky and not giving you that sleek, effortless look that you'll be going after. So for me, what I would keep in this bag is, one, I keep my key fob for my car. I also keep like one lipstick and lip liner, my phone, and I don't do any hand lotions or anything that has a weird shape to the bottle or anything like that because I know that it's going to make this look crazy. But my phone is still flat and sleek, so it doesn't really, you know, deform the bag in any major way. But you've got to be pretty minimal with this. And I also have the Saint Laurent card case that matches this. That also goes in there as well, so I can actually have my, you know, credit cards, etc. with me. Friends, I also wanted to preface this. Please do not purchase from brands that don't have legitimate bags. No replicas, none of that stuff. There are a number of comments underneath one of the bag videos that I did, and they kept plugging in this particular brand. Do not purchase from anybody who's leaving those kind of comments, because if you're all about buying legitimate bags like I am, then I don't want you to be victimized. And we've seen so many people be taken for a ride with companies that either promote themselves as selling legitimate bags and they ended up with a replica, or trying to, you know, just purchase a bag from a store and that store poses as someone selling authentic bags and it ends up being a replica. So please, if you see videos that talks about, you know, legitimate bags or, you know, Louis Vuitton, Saint Laurent, all that, and in the comments you see somebody saying, oh, you just won something, or trying to give a thoughtful comment, but then they're plugging in a bag brand that you can buy replicas or dupes from, replicas from, do not, I caution you, please, do not purchase from those people, because I don't promote that on my channel. I'm just letting you know I have nothing to do with those people, and I don't want you to have anything to do with those people, because I can't promise you that those people are selling legitimate bags. So that's my little disclaimer there. I care about people. I care about humanity. I hate when people take people for a ride. The one thing that is a pet peeve of mine. But anyway, I love you all. I will talk to you in my next one. Ciao for now.